What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Braptor. Today we are at the best JDM Engineering to finally get our Ford Procal tune installed. All right, guys, so we are at a whopping 827 miles. So I figured it was time that we put on our new Ford Performance Procal tune, because why wait any longer? So we are at the best in the business. We are at JDM Engineering, and they are going to be installing this for me, and I am super excited to see how it changes this truck. Some things I'm looking for, obviously a little more power, a little more boost, as well as cleaner, quicker shift points, not just in normal mode, but especially in sport mode. That is what we want. So we're gonna get this installed. We are on 93 octane since we got the truck, and we're gonna drive her. We're gonna see how she does. I already did some pulls in stock mode and sport mode with the factory tune, and then we're gonna compare it after we get the tune, and we'll see if the parameters of the boost had changed. So let's get it installed. All right, so we got all of our gauges set up. We got some boost here, air fuel ratio, the octane adjustment, a knock sensor, and we have our air charge temp for sensor 1 and sensor 2. So let's get this thing on the road and see the difference that it made. Normal mode, let's check on the boost. Normal mode after the Procal tune. Dig, pull, let's see the shifts. I think it's safe to say she pulls. All right, guys, so after driving it home for quite some time, I can say that there is a huge difference in this Procal tune versus the factory tune. The boost went up between 7 to 8 pounds, as you can see from the pull videos. The shift points in both normal mode and especially in sport mode are much better, more crisp, less jerky, and more refined. So it's a smoother ride, more enjoyable. It's making more power. You can feel the torque, especially from the dig, is putting you back in the seat now. It's got a lot more power. It's making a lot more boost. And even with that driving and having fun, the MPG still actually did go up. We were at 14.3, we're now at 14.5. So, hey, maybe we are getting better gas mileage. We'll see the long term on it. But overall, I think that the tune is 100% worth it. Made it more fun, a more enjoyable, more refined ride. Now, the other thing I wanted to cover with this is the warranty. I know a lot of guys have questions or concerns about the factory warranty, and if you look online, people are just spewing a whole bunch of random stuff. This is how it works. I had called the Ford Performance hotline as well as spoke to the techs at JDM Engineering. This is how it works. When you purchase your Bronco, from the day that you take it home, that's when your 5-year, 60,000 mile factory warranty begins. Then, when you decide to tune it with the Ford Performance Procal, your 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty will kick in. But the caveat is, it doesn't kick in from the day you tune it. It kicks in from the day of purchase. So the day that your factory warranty started is the day that this also starts. So if you purchased your Bronco a year and a half ago and then you decide to tune it, you will have 1.5 years on the Ford Performance tune left up until 36,000 miles. So I bought this in May. So now my Ford Performance tune will void out in 33 months from now. But my factory warranty is still good for 57 months. Now, they are two entirely separate warranties. The Ford Performance tune and the Ford Performance warranty does not override your factory Ford powertrain warranty. They are two separate entities, two separate warranties that run concurrent with one another. So what that means is if in 1,000 miles I have some type of issue, if I bring it in, it is covered under the Ford factory powertrain warranty. If while they're diagnosing it, they determine that is an issue due to the tuner, then they will contact Ford Performance, and the Ford Performance warranty will pay the bill, work with Ford, and get the vehicle fixed. Now, once your Ford Performance warranty has run out, so you break that 3-year, 36,000 mile threshold, and it's expired, you do not lose the remainder of your factory warranty. So after 3 years or 36,000 miles, you will still have 2 years or 24,000 miles left of your factory powertrain warranty and are covered just like you were when you bought it new. The only caveat is if you have an issue in that 2-year period when you're only running now your factory warranty, Ford has to prove it 100%, undoubtedly has the burden of proof that whatever issues you're dealing with were solely due to this bad boy right here. So that if they can 100% prove that 4 years from now, I'm having an issue with the turbocharger and it is solely based off of this tuner, then they can void that part of the warranty or choose not to do the service. If they can't 100% prove that it was due to the tuner and the tuner only, then your factory powertrain warranty is still intact and they will still replace whatever they have to do for you under your factory warranty. So I know there's a lot of questions going on about that. Hopefully I broke it down as simple as possible. In a nutshell, right now I have 2 warranties. I have a Ford powertrain warranty 5-year. I have a Ford Performance added on warranty for 3 years. Once this expires 3 years from now, I still have 2 years left of my factory powertrain warranty, and any issues that happen in that 2-year window, they have to prove that this caused the issue. Otherwise, the powertrain warranty will be fine and they will fix your vehicle. So overall, awesome product for around the $600 mark. You get more power, better gas mileage, a smoother, more refined ride, and it is just a blast to drive now, and you also retain your factory warranty. So 100% recommend this product. If you're in the New Jersey, Pennsylvania area, highly recommend JDM Engineering. They are the best in the business, whether you want something simple like this or you need any major work done on any of your Broncos, your STs, or especially your Mustangs or F-150s. So be sure to check them out below, and I will drop the link to their website down in the description. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this solved any problems or questions or concerns that you had with the Ford Performance Procal for the Bronco Raptor. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Bronco Raptor content.